Today, we will go over the long sound of the letter I. The long sound of the letter I sounds like I. This is the word ice. The word ice uses the long I sound. Ice. This is the word lion. The word lion uses the long I sound. Lion. This is the word mice. The word mice uses the long I sound. Mice. This is the word dime. The word dime uses the long I sound. Dime. This is the word bike. The word bike uses the long I sound. Bike. This is the word ride. The word ride also uses the long I sound. Ride. This is the word hide. The word hide is another word that uses the long I sound. Hide. This is the word high. High also uses the long I sound. High. This is the word tiger. The word tiger uses the long I sound. Tiger. Kind. This is the word kind. The word kind uses the long I sound. Kind. This is the word night. The word night uses the long I sound. Night. This is the word light. Light also uses the long I sound. Light. These are just a few words that use the long I sound. I'm pretty sure you can think of some more.